Implicit differentiation. Find dy by dx by implicit differentiation. Explicit functions are those functions in which we separate y, or we can write y as a function of x. Whereas implicit functions are those in which we cannot separate y from x. Here it's written x square plus y square is equal to 100. This one is given an equation. In previous exercises, we know we find derivatives of this type of questions. Y is equal to x square plus something plus this, that y was a function of x. Here, if suppose it's written y is equal to x square. Previously, if we have to find dy by dx, it means d by dx of y, and that was equal to d by dx of x square. And then this term on the left hand side was written as dy by dx, and here we find the derivative, that was 2x. I have written d by dx of x square, then d by dx of y square, and then d by dx of 100. D by dx of x square means the derivative of x square with respect to x. D by dx of y square means the derivative of y square with respect to x, and derivative of constant. Now here derivative of x square becomes 2x, derivative of y square with respect to x becomes 2y, that is due to power rule, and then without power the function is y, so its derivative will be dy by dx, and derivative of 100 is constant, and its derivative is 0. Then I have separated the term involving dy by dx, and the answer will be, or the derivative of this implicit function is dy by dx of this. Here the first factor of the question is product of the terms, the second is also product of the terms. So finding the derivative for this term, I have applied product rule. 2x is derivative of x square, y as it is, then x square as it is, and derivative of y, that is dy by dx. Then 3 as it is. Here again apply the product rule. Derivative of x is 1, y cube comes as it is, plus this x comes as it is. Derivative of y cube by applying power rule, 3 reducing power by 1 gives y square. Then the product rule is applied, but without this power the function is y, so the derivative of that y with respect to x is dy by dx, and derivative of x will be 1, and derivative of 3 is 0. Then the multiplication with 3, simplification, and separating the terms involving dy by dx. Here I have separated the terms, then taking dy by dx common, and then dividing right hand side by this factor, and this is derivative of this implicit function. 16th question can also be done by previous method. Separate, you can separate y will be written in a form of function of x, and then solve this question. Here I have applied the implicit differentiation. Derivative of x cube, that is 3x square, then derivative of x square plus y, this is again product of terms, so derivative of x square is 2x, y comes as it is, then plus x square, and derivative of y with respect to x will be dy by dx. Then derivative of x is 1, and derivative of y is dy by dx. Then again simplification of the terms, taking dy by dx common, and then dividing this by the factor, and this is the answer. If you want to solve this by the previous method from this term, I think the result will be like this. If you take the terms involving y on one hand side and terms involving x on other hand side, this becomes x cube minus x, and then taking y common will give us 1 plus x square that will come on the denominator of the other term, and this will be the question, and you can solve this by our previous method. And then 19th question is a trigonometric function, and we know while solving the questions of trigonometric function, first if the power rule is applicable we check it, then derivative of trigonometric function, and then derivative of angle. Here the power is on the trigonometric function, that is this power. We take this power on whole of a function, then we have applied power rule, taking power at the start, then reducing power by 1, then derivative of trigonometric function. The trigonometric function is tan, so its derivative will be secant square. This is the angle that comes as it is, then derivative of the angle. Here the derivative of the angle, the first term is product of the terms, so its derivative will be taken with the help of product rule. Derivative of x will be 1, then y square as it is, then x as it is, derivative of y square, that is 2y, and then the function without power is this y, so its derivative will be dy by dx. Then derivative of this y, that is again dy by dx, and then derivative of x will be 1. Then its simplification will be that I have shifted this term to the right hand side in a denominator, then taking dy by dx common from these two terms, and then shifted this y on the right hand side, that becomes minus, and then what I have done, I have divided first factor by this term and also the second factor, that is minus y square, by this term again. And here I have written that this term divided by 2x plus y, and then when we shifted this y square towards here this side, then this y square again divided by 2x plus y.